In this video, we are going to examine the visualization side of ElumTools, our new lighting calculation add-in for Autodesk Revit. To begin, we'll select the ElumTools tab in Revit, followed by the Calculate command with the Single Room option. We'll then select the room of interest. ElumTools will parse the Revit project to include all the surfaces and luminaires that are contained by the room boundary. Users can choose to optionally consider all hosted elements such as doors and contents such as furniture. A visualization window will open and the lighting calculation begins. ElumTools uses a radiosity calculation process which considers all surfaces to be diffuse. This is generally a valid assumption for most architectural materials and is the premise behind all of the popular lighting calculation engines in use today, such as AGI-32 and Dialux. Progressive radiosity subdivides each surface into smaller pieces called elements, which receive light. An adaptive process is used to further subdivide the element mesh to accommodate for dramatic gradients in surface luminance. After the direct light is shot, the brightest group of elements in the room become a virtual luminaire and cast their reflected light back into the environment. Each successive step projects the brightest elements remaining, and the process continues until all light has been absorbed. This is a state called convergence, yielding a completed calculation and visualization. The ElumTools viewer provides a series of standard orthographic and isometric views, and a full complement of interactive navigation tools to examine the rendered environment. These commands can be used during the calculation process, as we have just demonstrated, or obviously any time after the calculations are complete. The illuminance calculation points can be displayed in the visualization if you like. You simply go to Display Options and select Show Calculation Points. These points are defined by the user in ElumTools prior to the calculation. Let's turn off the calculation points from the Display Options menu, as well as the Mesh Overlay, showing the element mesh. The visualization display can be toggled between luminance, as shown, which is reflected light with consideration to the color and reflectance of the surfaces present, or illuminance, which is incident light falling on surfaces irrespective of surface color or reflectance. Either luminance or illuminance can also be displayed in pseudocolor, where a scale can be assigned with a ceiling value assigned using the Set Maximum option from either luminance or illuminance menus. Here we have a maximum assigned of 50 foot candles in the illuminance display. When in RGB or grayscale mode, the maximum value sets the white point of the display. This is useful when attempting to compare visualizations of different lighting scenarios. So that's a quick look at the ElumTools visualization capability. It's a simple, fast, and powerful way for designers to evaluate their calculated lighting results without leaving Revit. Thanks for watching. You can find out more about ElumTools at elumtools.com.